said, Jesus, I believe in what you said.